good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Megan Mitchell here again. And I wanted to talk a little bit about the concept of a gift and what a gift means. We have been told that Victory with Ash is a gift. A gift from Ash Mufara. It is a learning platform that is meant to educate, elevate both your personal and your business life, and give world-class training to those who are allowed to enter. There's a little bit of confusion, I think, about the whole process of entering into Victory with Ash, because I think many are thinking of it more as just a right instead of a privilege. Think about when you get ready to celebrate a holiday, or when you celebrate a birthday, a wedding. The person who's receiving the gift doesn't get to demand it. That's not how gift giving works. And if that were the case, then would it really be meaningful at all? We give the gift out of the kindness of our heart because we want to, and that's what makes it meaningful. That's what Ash has done. He has decided to give us this platform, give us this training and education because he wanted to. But it's not just a given that you can enter. That might seem unfair. That might seem a little exclusive. And there's a reason for that. If you want to receive a gift, then you should be somebody who is worthy of receiving that gift. We don't ask for gifts. That's what makes it special, is that we receive them because the other person wanted to. And it's as much for the other person as it is for us. They enjoy giving that gift, just like Ash has labored and has given of himself, given time, given money, given, a lot of thought and care as to how he would develop this platform and who he would share it with. If you think about a gift as something that is like an heirloom, have you ever given a gift to someone and, maybe they didn't cherish it, maybe they didn't take care of it, or they just threw it to the side? That's very hurtful, and that is very disappointing. So if we think about giving something as an heirloom, which is what Victory with Ash is in a way, you want to give that to someone who is worthy of its care, who is going to be a good steward of that heirloom. So the first person who receives it, or the first people, should be people who are qualified and who have demonstrated that they're going to respect it, that they're going to honor it, they're going to be a good representation of it, they're going to not, give out proprietary information. And then also they are entrusted with the responsibility of deciding who it will be passed down to next. And that's why you have a certain group of people who have been selected by Ash, and that is his responsibility and his choice. He selected who he wants to give that, that link to in the beginning. And we have to believe that he did that with a great amount of consideration and care. He's looking for someone who is going to choose the next group of people. The next group of people who will fulfill that same role, and then they will choose the following group of people. The idea is that if you entrust something with someone in the beginning that you can trust, that hopefully they will have the qualities that continue on that process. So how do you become one of those people? Well, it's really simple. You demonstrate that you are someone who understands that it's not a privilege, it's not a right, it's a privilege. You don't demand it, we don't demand gifts from people. So hopefully you will think of this a little different. Remember, you're not paying for Victory with Ash. We don't pay for gifts, and that's exactly what it is. So be that person that someone would want to give a gift to. Demonstrate your responsibility and your trust and your ability to cherish that. hopefully that makes sense, because there's many people out there who will have links and they will be looking for quality people to gift that opportunity to. Have a blessed day.